Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 1st of October. And first of all, national news. Supreme Court rejected plea against vote machines (EVMs), fines petitioner. National Film Awards, Surya and Ajay Devgan received their Best Actor prizes. General Anil Chauhan took over as new Chief of Defence Staff, CDS. Malaysia-bound flight delayed after bomb hoax at Delhi airport on Friday. On Friday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a high-speed train named Vande Bharat in his home state of Gujarat. Mumbai to be transformed in 90 days under new renewal plan, Eknath Shinde. And now some international news. American man charged over bomb threat on board Singapore flight. Mark Zuckerberg points to layoffs end of era at his social media giant. Education minister accused of plagiarism in Romania resigned. NASA shared terrifying footage of Hurricane Ian captured from space. NASA James Webb and Hubble telescopes captured detailed views of asteroid strike. Elon Musk set to showcase Tesla's humanoid robot Optimus after delay. Imran Khan appeared in Pakistan court to apologize women judge over remarks. And now news related to business. Sensex surged over 1,000 points, stalling a 7-day losing streak after RBI hikes rate. Rupee gains significantly boosted by RBI's rate hike and a softer dollar. Currency movements are not guiding factors for monetary policy, RBI. 67% of decline in forex reserves due to valuation changes, RBI governor. Regulations for offline payment aggregators to be at par with online, RBI. RBI hiked rates to 3-year high of 5.9%, cites bleak global outlook. RBI cuts growth forecast to 7% for this year. RBI retained inflation projection at 6.7% for 2022 to 23. System ready for new credit debit cards norms. 35 crore enrolled, RBI. HDFC raised interest rate by 0.50%, EMIs to increase. Amazon India rolls out live stream shopping to drive festive season sales. And now news related to sports. Rajasthan High Court extended stay on RCA election till further orders. Winner of T20 World Cup to take home $1.6 million. Women's rights group calls on FIFA to kick Iran out of World Cup. Lewis Hamilton fastest in Singapore ahead of title chasing Max Verstappen. Saurashtra versus rest of India, Irani Cup 2022. Jaydev Unadkat will lead Saurashtra. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.